Activision Blizzard is one of the world's largest gaming companies based here in Santa Monica. We not only create and produce the best games in the world, we were recently ranked one of Fortune's 100 best companies to work for 2015. I'm the HRIS manager. I am responsible globally for our HR technologies and their downstream integrations. Oracle Fusion was determined to be the best product for us at the time. We had the intention of going cloud-based for all of our applications, and HR was the first to go. We learned that Oracle was an advanced cloud solution, but not perfect. And so we do a lot of rigorous testing for each time we receive an upgrade from Oracle. As part of being a cloud SaaS-based client, we had to run over 600 test scenarios every time we received an upgrade or specific patching for our particular pods. It created an incredible amount of workload on our HR operations team as well as our HR technology team, sort of hurrying up to get transactions in on top of an already full workload, and then to spend a great deal of time waiting to then hurry at the end and resolve those issues. We looked at many different vendors when it came to selecting a testing solution for us, and decided upon CloudTestr because not only did they have the capabilities to automate testing in HR in a cloud SaaS-based solution, but also hosted Oracle EBS for finance and supply chain. Truthfully, CloudTestr works like magic. Basically, what we do is send a full spreadsheet of the data that we want incorporated into our tool. And overnight, CloudTestr is able to execute against hundreds of scenarios across the globe. It doesn't matter, whether or not we're doing a promotion or a salary change or a global transfer. CloudTestr has been able to automate that solution and work as though they're worker fairies in the middle of the night. And then we come back to work the following morning with a full list of everything that's passed, what's failed, and perhaps an assumption as to why it's failed. And so it's been able to automate and streamline our testing process. The CloudTestr team really made an investment in us from the very beginning. They had a resource on the ground who was sitting with us, not only learning the system, but the Activision specific processes, which was critical in order to understand why we do transactions within HR the way that we do. In addition, they had someone sitting on the EBS Oracle side for the finance and supply chain teams doing the exact same thing, which made our long-term relationship really easy. We have a face to put with a name. We know who to reach out to if ever there's a question, and they understand us just as much as we understand their resource. It's truly been a really great relationship. I wish that Activision had provided CloudTestr with additional information before they walked into the door. What ended up happening is that we were providing sort of time going through the screens and going through the processes that when we could have provided that to CloudTestr ahead of time. So a little more pre-work would have had us starting a little faster. I would absolutely recommend CloudTestr to my peers, colleagues, friends, anyone looking for an automated testing solution. They were incredibly professional and personable. We feel as though we have a close relationship with our colleagues now halfway around the world, executing all of our test scenarios for us. In addition, CloudTestr has the ability to grow over time and transform as our business and our systems transform. And so we're confident we're going to be with them for a long time.